Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after update. As you can see, this is my Wi-Fi is showed after update. So usually, or this often happen, the Wi-Fi is disabled or you cannot, or there is no showing here the Wi-Fi option. So you cannot access your internet, of course. So to fix it, to show your Wi-Fi option in Windows 11 after update, all you have to do is just go to the service. So you can type service in here, and the service will pop up, and try to search WLAN auto config here. You can double click, and the startup type, go to the automatic and start apply. Next, you can go to the device manager. Here, try to search your adapter. For example, I'm using a Wi-Fi dongle, and try to disable and then re-enable by click action and add legacy, or add scan for hardware changes. Then you can try to turn off your computer and then try to unplug all the for example the USB, or if you still use a wired keyboard, wired mouse, you can try to unplug all the devices from your USB on your motherboard, and then try to restart your PC. And if the problem still occur, you can try to go to the folder, go to Windows Explorer, go to the local disk C, double click on Windows and try to search the software distribution folder. You can double click and you can select all the folder, select all the file here, and you can delete all the folders and restart your PC, of course. So feel free to try fix your Wi-Fi option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.